It will be a 1 hour class only. All of you can see the screen? All of you can see the screen? All of you can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Samriddhi Prabhu is here. We will start. We were on the electronegativity. Any problem to anyone with electronegativity? Let's write down some numbers. Hydrogen has 2.1 electronegativity. Fluorine is 4.0. Chlorine is 3.0. Bromine is 2.8. Iodine is 2.5. These numbers are not important, but you should know which elements have same electronegativity. As someone has said about it, that if the electronegativity is same, then what will happen? Okay, this will be sufficient. All of you can see this number? Is the screen visible to all? Please reply.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Is the screen visible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you got the notification for this class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy it fast. All of you done? So carbon, sulfur, and iodine have same electronegativity. Nitrogen and chlorine have same electronegativity. Even beryllium and aluminium have same electronegativity. So that thing you can remember. Okay. Done, all of you? Electronegativity will depend upon effective nuclear charge as well. As we know, effective nuclear charge can tell us about the size. So it will also affect the electronegativity. Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus, and Fe plus. Which has maximum force of attraction? Which have maximum force of attraction?
What is that after ENC?
as well, which has maximum force of attraction. So this will be the maximum electronegative. Which will have maximum electronegativity. Which will have maximum electronegativity. Which will have maximum electronegativity.
The C1.
Which will have more electronegativity. Which will have more electronegativity. Which will have more electronegativity. Yes, how it's Cu plus 2. Yes, how it's Cu plus 2. Yes, how it's Cu plus 2. Amod, how it's Zn plus 2. Okay. So same size, but it has more, sorry, same charge, but it has more size. Very good, Yash. Amod, understood?
Yes, sir.
Which will have maximum electronegativity.
C.
All students are not here. So all of you understood the trend? More the positive charge, more is the electronegativity. Any problem to anyone in this? Any problem to anyone in this? Applications of electronegativity. Applications of electronegativity. If in a bond both atoms are same, if in a bond both atoms are same, then molecule will be considered as non-polar covalent molecule. Okay, if two atoms of a bond are different molecule will be polar. Molecule will be polar and it will be ionic molecule. Okay, percentage of ionic character in the molecule depends upon the difference in electronegativity. Difference in electronegativity. Difference in electronegativity Difference in electronegativity is directly proportional to ionic character, directly proportional to polarity of molecule, and inversely proportional to covalent character. Okay, okay. More the difference in electronegativity, more will be the shifting of electron, and hence there will be charge separation. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? For example, if we have
Someone
CCl
report
bond,
me.
what?
Someone had report me.
Which one is maximum polar or maximum ionic? Please do not do all these things. We have only 1 hour. Which one is maximum polar or maximum ionic? Which one is maximum polar and maximum ionic?
B.
Maximum polar or maximum ionic? Understood. All of you understood this? Which one is maximum covalent?
Can you explain the previous question?
Your voice is not audible. Sam, you are not audible. Which one is maximum covalent? In the previous question, I have said which one is maximum polar. Maximum polar means maximum electronegativity difference. We know their electronegativities, we can calculate their difference.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. There are other students, Madhura, Padma, Sanika. You all are not replying. You are not in the meeting. Shruti is also not replying. Shruti is replying. Okay. So maximum covalent means minimum electronegativity difference. That will be this. So this will be the answer. All of you understood this? Greater the electronegativity difference, shorter is the bond length. Greater the electronegativity difference, shorter is the bond length. Greater the electronegativity difference, shorter is the bond length. Which one has minimum bond length? 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 Understood, all of you? Understood, all of you? Sani, I didn't ask you answer. You're not getting all this?
Oh, so got it.
We have talked about it that RA plus RB minus 0.09 into XA minus XB is RAB. We have talked about this formula. In atomic radii for different atoms. We have talked about this formula.
Yes, sir.
Atomic radii of different atoms. These are electronegativities. Okay. So rarely the numerical will be asked from this topic. But if it is asked, you can follow this thing. Understood? एक और फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं. Percentage of ionic character in a molecule is given by 16 into XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB whole square. This can give you the percentage of ionic character. Okay. So you should just know these formulas if at all they are asked. Understood, all of you? Now we'll go to different thing. All of you understood both these formulas? Do you think electron affinity? Yes.
Can you explain that formula again?
Percentage of ionic character. It is just a formula. What you're not getting in this? 16 into the electronegativity of A in minus electronegativity of B plus 3.5 into electronegativity of A minus electronegativity of B, a whole square. You want me to take an example?
Yes, sir. But why are that numbers 16, 3.5?
Okay. That has been experimental observation.
Okay, sir. Thank
हाँ,
you.
वो तो experimental observation है यार. Understood? Right on valency and valence electrons. What do we mean by valency? What do we mean by valency?
Tendency to lose electron.
No. Valency.
Binding capacity.
Very good. Combining capacity of an element. Combining capacity of an element. It can be related as number of electrons required to reach the nearest octet or nearest noble gas configuration. Combining capacity of an element, number of bonds formed by an element, number of bonds formed by an element. These can be the valency. Okay. For example, नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी क्या होगी?
Sir, the second statement, what is the last word?
Element.
Sir, the second statement, the nearest of
Nearest octet. Octet
Thank you,
मतलब
sir.
8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तक पहुंचना.
Okay, sir.
नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी क्या होगी? थ्री. कैसे? नाइट्रोजन इज 2,5, so it requires 3 electron. ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी
So that first statement, what is that after formed by an
एलिमेंट. फ्लोरीन की वैलेंसी कार्बन की वैलेंसी मतलब 15th ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स की वैलेंसी ये है. 16th ग्रुप एलिमेंट, 17th ग्रुप एलिमेंट, 14th group element. Similarly, 13th group element will have 3. Second group element will be 2. First group element will be 1. You must be knowing all these things. वैलेंसी तो आपको पता ही था. What is valence electron? What is valence electron?
So the number of electrons in last shell.
In the outermost shell, right?
Yes.
अच्छा, valency do not have any charge. It should be very much clear. आपने मुझे 4 बोला है, +4 नहीं बोला. You told me 2. You didn't say -2. Valency does not have any charge. It is a very good thing, very important thing. Valency is a number, no charge. आप कभी भी किसी की वैलेंसी बता रहे हो तो चार्ज नहीं बताना है, जस्ट द नंबर. Valence electron, number of electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, like sodium, it's 2, 8, 1. So valence electron is 1. Like chlorine, it's 2, 8, 7. So it is 7. Sulfur, 2, 8, 6. So it is 6. Nitrogen, 2, 8, 5. Sorry, 2, 5. 5. Sir, your charging is getting over. Achha. Thank you, Amod. Done, all of you. Understood, all of you. Understood, all of you. That means first group element will have valence electron 1. 17th group element will have 7 valence electron. 15th group element, no, 16th group element will have 6 valence electron. 15th group element will have 5 valence electron, and so on. Understood? Understood? And you were knowing about all these things. You were knowing about valency. You were knowing about valence electrons. I want to teach you something different, which looks like valency but is not the valency. इसलिए मैंने आपको पहला valency लिखवा दिया है. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
I want to talk about oxidation state, but I do not want you to get confused with valency. इसलिए मैंने आपको पहला valency लिखवा दिया है. I want to talk about oxidation state. I want to talk about the oxidation state. It is the charge present on elements when a compound is broken down into ions. It is the charge present on the elements in any compound. It is always given with sign. With sign. Copy it fast. Done. Done. Am I audible?
Wait a minute.
Done. It can be positive, negative, zero. Mainly, we will read this in the 8th chapter, but somehow it is required here also. So I'm giving you some important details of it. Very less is required here that I'm telling you here. Otherwise, we have this in the 8th chapter, redox chapter. All of it done? All of you done?
So given with which sign?
I'll let you know. I'll give you examples. I am just saying that the difference between valency and oxidation state is कि इसमें sign होता है, उसमें sign नहीं होता. Valency do not have any charge, but oxidation state will have charge. Now, what charge? That I'll tell you. Done. Oxidation state of an element can be determined if the charges of other elements are known. For example, Oxygen has -2 charge, mostly. Oxygen has -2 charge, mostly. Chlorine has -1 charge, mostly. 16th group element, 17th group element. Understood? I want to talk about this thing only as of now. मुझे बस इसी के बारे में पढ़ाना है अभी. बाकी we'll go into details of oxidation state in 8th chapter. All of you understood this?
So it is only for ions.
What?
Oxidation state.
Oxidation state is the charge present on an element in a compound. एक compound के अंदर whatever elements you have, whatever charges are present on them, that is called oxidation state of those elements.
So on what will it be 0?
Why? What you're saying? When it will be 0?
Yes, sir.
See, I am not giving you the details of this. It will come in the 8th chapter.
Okay.
Yeah. क्योंकि इसमें बहुत कुछ है जो हम अभी नहीं पढ़ रहे. अभी हम बस इतना देख रहे हैं कि if we have a compound AO, what will be the charge on A? Oxidation state of A. We will say oxidation state of A is X. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Overall charge on the molecule is 0. So X will be +2. Understood, Madhura?
Yes, sir.
Do we know how this 0 came? It is a charge on the molecule. Molecule does not have any charge. Do we know from this -2 came? It is a charge on oxygen. Any problem to anyone in this? अब अगर मैंने आपको दिया A2O, what is the charge on A? Oxidation state of A. Shruti, please make it +2. अगर आप साइन नहीं बना सकते हो तो लिख दो PLUS. But it should be very much clear. Oxidation state charge के साथ ही लिखना है. Otherwise, you will get confused between valency and oxidation state. And I do not want that. 2x minus 0 equal to, sorry, 2x minus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to +2, x equal to +1. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
बताओ. A2O3. 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 AO2.
So can you scroll up?
Raghavi, please remember it is +3. If it's by mistake, you can get it. But it should be very much clear. Oxidation state charge के साथ ही लिखना है. X plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to +4.
These are done.
चलो सारे सारे कर दो जल्दी से. Screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
तो यार आप +7 पे डूब क्यों गए हो? Go for all the compounds. Sakshi, not done for Fe2O3. Rishikesh. ये मेरा नेट ही नहीं चल रहा है. You want me to do it?
Okay, sir.
+10 यश +10 किसका है भाई +9 +11 तुम क्या कर रहे हो यार oxidation state can never be greater than +8 that too only for 2 elements तुमने कुछ ना कुछ तो अलग किया है यश हाँ यार ये हो ही नहीं सकता ना it will never be greater than +8 that too only for 2 elements or 3 elements which I'll tell you in the 8th chapter अभी आप ये मान के चलो oxidation state can never be greater than valence electrons oxidation state of an element can never be greater than its valence electrons done all of you
Yes, sir.
oxidation state of an element can never be greater than its valence electron. Malachi. Done all of them?
Sir, can you solve 10th one?
And can you name it? आप नाम बोल दो
SO4 minus
2
2.
minus है ना sulfur is X oxygen has -2 charge overall
please-
molecule has -2 charge just wait a second okay
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So that -2 charge is present on full compound
yes
or on.
yes no full compound
Okay, sir.
other charges तो we do not know only ना वही तो हम निकाल रहे हैं we know the charge only on the molecule anyone want to copy it I am deleting it now
Scroll up, sir.
I'll do that you want to copy this sulfate
Done, sir.
so I'm deleting it now done
So scroll down.
done so that is it for today rest we'll do tomorrow
Thank you, sir.